Bass Bar. Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how do I fit super easily the bass bar. My name is Sofia Vettori. Hello. I make violin since I was 17 years old. I learned from my father, I learned from his father. So we are in Italy, a 90 years old family of violin makers. Now I live in the United States as I married a violin maker, so I can't get rid of violin makers in my life. And I'm surrounded by violin maker lovers, violin maker passionate, violin maker colleagues, and friends that are following from all over the world. So welcome if you're new, and let's go to work immediately on the bass bar. So I'm gonna show you my favorite trick to trace the bass bar so that I don't spend hours on doing it. And first I already placed, so the bass bar I already marked where I want it to be. And it's already long 27 and it's already thick as I wanted. So now we are going to do it together, the fitting of the bass bar. Here we go. I take a pencil like that and I use my fingers. Let me go closer. Hope you can see something. And you can see the line here. I went the lowest possible, so I have to take the less material possible. So don't hold your pencil up here, because then you will have a line that, fits the bass bar the same, but it will take you ages to remove all this wood. So just go in the middle, that it's the part where you will have more space, and then just go at the super edge, so you really will have to take not too much. So this is the first of the advice of today. Let me remove this other line here. So I want to have it clean. And the first step that I do, I work with the flat chisel like that. And gouge. I don't never remember if it's chisel or gouge, but this one, okay? Lo scarpello. And when I remove the wood here, I never go to the line. I leave always some space, because if not, you will eat too much, and I will show you how. So then I hold the thing like that. Always work and then check. Work and check, okay? I mean, this is almost, it's almost done. Here, like that. All right, okay. So then I take some of the, where is it? Eccolo qui, questo, il gesso. Chuck. Like that. It's a normal one, okay? You don't need the one that they sell to violin makers that costs 5 times more. I just use the normal one, okay? So here we go. Then as you can see, I don't use the little thing for holding the bass bar, because then I have to wait they're glued, clean them after. So I like to take the easy way. So you just hold it and then move it. And now you see here, like that. So I didn't go down the end. Remember, we saved the line, but of course not. We saved maybe a little too much line. And as you can see, when I'm working, I'm already how do you say, holding my blade a little bit not square, because it's not square, so it goes like that. So one part will be higher, one part will be lower. So you can start also adjusting. But this maybe will come after practice. So look at that. It's almost perfect. Okay, so then I do like that to be sure that I control, and then I go in the middle. I will also lower it up when I'm getting closer. So right now I'll keep it tall, but then I will lower it, so it's easier to control. I take with my tool only where I see the white of the chalk, like that. And I'm sure now we will start seeing white also here. Starting. And we need to see which is the one, the direction. Now maybe with the camera you will not see white, but I can see it from the... All right. So the direction of this wood always have a direction where... Yeah, I still have to figure it out. Let's see. So then usually when I realize the direction, of course, the end, I always go this and this. But the rest, I need to see the wood, which direction goes better, and I will make an arrow so that I can remember, especially when you are almost at the end of the end. So as you can see, this is coming closer. So now just, it'll take some time to... Yeah, I want to lower, this is way... Okay, let's see now that I can see a lot of white here, if this is the right direction. Yeah, so this one is the right direction. So let me... Then this is the right direction for the grain of the spruce. If you are afraid you're going to place the bass bar the wrong direction on the plate, so as you can see, the arrow is the same direction, but sometimes the arrow is not the same direction, so you can, let's say, place an arrow also up here, so that you know that. But I mean, I see the pencil here. It's, let's say, if you want to be super sure, you can do that. It depends on how many times you did this job. As everything, the more you do, the more you can have confidence. And try to only take material where you see white. And stop if it doesn't go. Okay. Good. Okay, turn here and I see. And still this little corner here. Now, I don't know if you can see in the camera the white spot, but like that. It's getting so much closer. So something that I do to check, I want you to have some light to see. I take my bass bar and I press my top on the corner of the bench. Of course, and then you see where it touches. It's a little bit like if you will have a clamps. So yes, so just pressing like that, you will see. So I have an idea how it will clamp. Okay. Keep going. This part here in the middle, it's not, I think goes in two directions. So this direction here, this happens sometimes in the middle. I need to put this up. Okay, this is a very no direction wood. So let's try to, okay, so then if this tool now it's too aggressive to continue, then I change tool. So maybe this is the time where I will never finish the whole bass bar with this tool. This is just to go fast at the beginning. So it's time now to move to another tool. Here we go. Yeah, we're very close. All right, so the next tool, where did I put it? Okay, so we can use this one. Also here, try to use it only where you see white. Like that. I hope you can see. Sometimes I forget to double check the camera. You can see I just keep the same. I don't move this one this way. I keep it very sturdy. I just little movement like that, keeping this super. You will, if you do it, you will find the way to hold it, and it's very easy. So just, yeah, you need some time to practice. Here you go. This way, I'm also very free to, if I want to have the bass bar like a little bit leaning one way or another, I'm very free with doing that. All right, another one of my favorite tools. So I use now the rasp part because we are still far away, and then I will use the file part. So when we are closer to being perfect. And I want to show you also another of the tool that I love to use for making it perfect. So we can also add another layer here like that. And I like to use my glass scraper. Let's see if I have some. Let's make one together. Here we go. Here we go. If you don't have the video where I teach how to do the glass scraper, maybe I will put it in the description. I have a video course, free, where I teach, because so many people ask me about the glass scraper, so I made a free video course. So I just send people to the link and you get all your question answered. So you see how good it is? And I take only where I see white. Okay, now you also need to find the direction that works better. Okay, keep going. And I'm having this form here so that when I will not have my form, and I will have my center, I will start getting a little bit of air on the edges, so to have a little bit of compression. I don't want to have too much for the violin. It's super arched already, so, but a little bit I want to have it, yes. So then I do it also pressing only on the outside like that, without pressing in the middle. So I need to have the bass bar like that because I want to try to see which part works the best. Okay, this one. So I can see the white part of that I have to remove. So move your light so that you can see better. But it's almost white everywhere, so we're very close. This goes better in this direction. And as you can see, I only go where I see white. This is very important. Okay, then we clean. Yeah, we're almost done. I press a little bit as I told you. Yeah, I think we're almost done. All right, I will just double check a couple of things. I show you what I do to make it shorter, and then I will make it a little bit not so tall, and then I will refit it. And then, yeah, I have a little space there, but it's almost done. All right, so where I will have the notch, I didn't do the notch yet, but let's say approximately here, this is what I want to be as the highest point. So consider that that will be my highest point, and I want to have enough to have at least 15. Then I will go lower, of course, but I want to have, let's leave 16 there. So like that. Then I just make a line like that. So here I have more than 4. Here I have more than 16, or even 17. Awesome. So then what I do, I make violin only using my X-Acto knife, so no excuses. If I can do it, you can do it. And then I just cut like that. Then I turn, do the same thing on the other side. All right, done. Perfetto. This one is perfect for turning varnish, so I'm saving that. And here we are. It's so much easier now to control the bass bar. And yeah, to finish it, and then I will prepare all the clamps. So yeah, there is a little space here that I still want to get rid of. I want to give a little bit more of air here so that there is a little tension when I will do it, but it's almost done. So thanks for being here with me. And yeah, let me know if you enjoy my video, and see you at the next one. And this one up here is another video that maybe you will like. So click here if you want to see another of my video. Ciao, ciao, like, subscribe, and everything.